Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach After Market Update for the Live Trading Alert Call Room. Today's Wednesday, November 20th. And I'm going to go through everything we did today, guys. Pretty choppy day in the ES. We got a couple longs, made some money, nice short in the NASDAQ. And then we tried to get in a couple trades in the crude, but for two different reasons. Most people were not in those, possibly one. I'm going to run through them here really quick from left to right. Had an RS trade in the NQ. When the candle closed at 11:15 at 36.50, I told everybody you can take it as aggressively as 36.50, but it's probably going to come up to 8.50. 8.50 would be a better spot that you have to base the trade off of. But if you want to just be in, so in case it drops, you can go do that. And you'll see it never even closed above 8.50. Bounced around there for a little while. And boom, the call was that they were going to retest the 30 level, and if they got below 30, they would go down another 30 ticks at least. That was the call. Okay, so they did go down and test the 30. And once they got to the 30, they went down, and actually they went down right around 30 ticks. 30, 25 would be 20 tick, 22. I mean, that's about where they stopped. I mean, they overshot it, but that's 30 ticks is basically right here. Beautiful trade. On the ES, we had an S play. We had an S play on the ES, and that was after the 945 candle, 31.14. That trade made a couple points. Here went up 16.25, made a solid 2 points, and that was all it got. And then when it came back up again, we took a long at 16.75, told everybody that it was going to go up at least to flat, which was 18.50, 1.5 to 2 points, which is exactly what it did. So we weren't looking for anything big there. We knew there was a possibility they were going to front run that and try to keep it negative. But again, to scalp a point and a half, that's the only opportunity you had. I mean, there was a long, it just didn't have to go very far. And then in crude, we had a beautiful trade here. We had a method trade. I told everybody this is a pure method setup, cold and pure, 93 long. The problem is it happened at the crude news, and a lot of people are not in because of that reason. My next call was that it was going to go up here, and there was going to be an exhaustion around 40, and that you could short it. It probably was not going to go all the way down, but you could, certainly get yourself into a free trade, or I hate to use the word scalp, but we try to take 8 to 10 ticks anyway, and you certainly could have gotten that, if not more, and of course, if you moved your stop down, it would have been a break even, you would have made money, and then move your stop down, you wouldn't have made any further because it continued on. But again, we knew that could happen. And when that trade occurred at 10:42, we were in the other ES long, I believe. Yes, right here. So again, this one had triggered first. Most people were in this, but some people who love the crude might have waited for that. I don't know, but either way, there was no way in heck you could have ever lost on a trade today. It was a great day considering the ES currently is down about 5 points. It was down for most of the morning, like 2 or 3. Nothing really going on. Impeachment hearings happening. We're going to come back tomorrow and do it all over again. This is what we do. We'll check out our free trial, www.futurestradingcoach.com, and check and see what we do. And we'll see everybody back tomorrow. Safe trading, everybody.